Hello everybody and welcome to the Rift Mountain. On this week's episode we are taking a look at a Canadian builder, Supercoolpedals, and his tribute to the OG op-amp BigMuff with a modern take on it. We are taking a look at the 77 Fuzz Blender here. This has a blend knob so you can blend in the amount of fuzziness or distortion you want on your tone. You have the smoke knob that controls the bass and the treble of this pedal, and the tar that controls the amount of clipping that comes through it. And you have your flavor switch up at the top there that controls a mid boost or a scoop. So that's a little bit about this pedal. This model does not have the push cigarette at the top that turns it into more of a Velcro fuzz. That's alright, we're going to get a look at this on the Rift Mountain today, going through the Super Crush 100 and into that Ward Cabinets 2x12. Another thing, he hand makes these pedals as well as the bags that they come in. This bag is so cool. It's one of my favorites. Yeah, with those camels on it and the pyramids, a tribute to those camel cigarettes. Alright guys, let's get into this with Supercoolpedals 77 Fuzz Blender. Alright everybody, we have the 77 Fuzz Blender hooked up, going straight into the front of the orange Super Crush 100, and as always the 2x12 by Ward guitar cabinets. Alright, let's check this out. I'll give you a bit of my clean tone as always, and then we're going to jump right into it and we're going to check out this amazing pedal. Really enjoying the blend knob on it. It really does, it goes from a little bit overdriven to all out chaos. talk about this a little bit. It is really outstanding breaking into that really heavy distortion. As you see in there, you can get that kind of metalcore stuff going on, but it has that fuzz tone that you look for. It is a really good amalgamation of all these different tones in different pedals. You hear it there. You can adjust the blend knob with the smoke and the tar, so you get that clipping down a little bit and bring up a little bit of that bass and treble, and you can get it to sound just a very nice overdrive. Turn that tar up a little more. Super distorted, and then if you crank it all the way up, you get that fuzz, right? You get that. Flip that flavor switch up. It's been on the down position the whole time, so we're gonna flip it up, see what. Alright guys, let's get this going on the bass and see what that blend knob does. This is going to be awesome. I hope you're enjoying the demo so far in this new format where I actually have the pedal live up beside me. Alright, let's get into this with the 77 Fuzz Blender from Supercoolpedals on bass. Alright guys, you know what time it is? It is bass time. We got the short scale doom bass out, going through the guitar rig, going through that super cush. You do some of the clean, and then we're going to kick on the 77 Fuzz Blender, and we're going to go through all the different tones it has on bass. Hope you guys are ready for this. There's that big doomy sound. That blend all the way up. So let's go with the clipping all the way off, and then we're going to go overdrive, distortion, and crank it all the way up and get to the fuzz. So this is with, yeah, we'll go halfway with the smoke. Halfway smoke. No tire on this one, guys. No tire on this sound. volume. Let me blow my hand. Alright, let's add in a little bit of that tar. A little more tar than I wanted. That's an immense sound. So that I don't really have words for that. That is like the perfect sound I've been searching for the bass. Kind of just that incredibly low booming sound. I'm having way too much fun with this pedal. I completely forgot we're going to check out the flavor switch. So we are going to, I believe down is cutting the mids or scooping the mids and up is boosting them. Let's put it down. Alright guys, there is a look on guitar and bass of the Supercoolpedals 77 Fuzz Blender. The tribute to the OG op amp BigMuff with its own modern twist. I love that blend knob. I wasn't a big fan of them before, but the more I use them, I'm just falling in love with them, especially on the bass. It just sounds so good. Go check out Supercoolpedals, guys. Grab yourself a 77 Fuzz Blender. You will not regret that. Peace and love as always from the Riff Mountain. Have a wonderful day.